This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 1. So the question states, let S denote the set of all functions from so S is the set of all functions from C. We have the functions from 0, 1 to the power 4 to 0, 1, and this set of all functions is denoted by S. Let n denote the number of functions from the set S to the set 0, 1, and the numbers from this set to the set 0, 1 are denoted by n. Then the value of log base to n is. Suppose we have two sets. First set is having 3 items and second set is having 2 items. Then this A can be mapped to 0 or 1, so it has two possibilities. This B can be mapped to 0 or 1, it has two possibilities. C can map to 0 or 1, it has two possibilities. So number of functions are 2 to the power 3. It has cardinality as 3 and it has cardinality of 2. So if first set has cardinality of m and second has cardinality of n, then the number of functions are n to the power m. Because all these m members has n possibilities, so it comes out to be n to the power m. So in that case, this number of functions in S will be, so what are the number of items in 0, 1 to the power 4? It is 2 to the power 4. Now the number of functions in this S, or number of elements in S, will be cardinality of second part, which is 2, to the power cardinality of first part, which is 2 to the power 4. Why? Because each element has unique mapping. So it can also be possible that A and B both map to 0, but it is not possible that A, B, C, that A map to 0 and 1 both. Okay, so here S has cardinality 2 to the power 2 to the power 4. Now S is a mapping from this to 0, 1. 0, 1 has cardinality 2. So number of elements will be 2 to the power, which is cardinality of second part, to the cardinality of first part, which is S. So it is 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 4. Now what is the value of log base 2 of this value? So 2 times we are applying log base 2, log base 2. So 1 log base 2 will cancel out 1 2 to the power 4. So how we can write this? See, let me clear this stuff. There is no need to compute its exact value, you can calculate it directly. So what will happen? We can bring this down. So we can have 2 to the power 4 log base 2 of 2. What is log base E of E, or log base x of x? It is 1. So this computes to 1. Okay. So we can have it not like this. We will have it. This will, see, the actual logic is each log base 2 will cancel out 1 2. So this log base 2 will cancel out this 2 and this log base 2 will cancel out this 2. We will be left with only 2 to the power 4, which is 16. So what will happen is that first log base 2 will cancel out 1 2 and second log base 2 will cancel out 1 2, and we will be left with only 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Or you can even calculate this value and then apply 2 times log base 2. Even then you are going to get the same answer. So answer to this question is 16.